Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today we'll be making some delicious modaks for Ganesh Chaturthi. These modaks require only 4 ingredients: some almonds, dates for the sweetness, a dash of cardamom powder, and a nutritious flour ragi. The best thing is they happen to be vegan and gluten-free and make for a perfect, healthy and yummy treat for this festival. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll roast the almonds. On a low heat, we'll add 1 cup chopped almonds in a pan and roast them for around 3 to 4 minutes until they turn brown. Keep these roasted almonds aside to cool for some time and let's roast the ragi flour now. Add 1/3 cup of ragi flour in a pan and roast it for around 6 to 8 minutes on low heat till you get a nice aroma of ragi. Make sure to stir constantly so that it doesn't burn. Turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. Now in your food processor or blender, add roasted almonds and blend them till they are smooth and creamy. You have to be patient because this process takes some time, around 5 to 8 minutes, depending on your blender or food processor. Make sure to hit pause in between and scrape down the sides whenever necessary. And this is the consistency we were looking for. Now into this creamy almond paste, we'll add 2/3 cup of seedless dates, half teaspoon crushed or powdered cardamom, and we'll blend it one more time till everything is well combined. And this modak mixture is ready. Now we'll transfer this mixture in a bowl and add in the roasted ragi flour. Using your hand, mix it well. And once it's well combined, start making the modaks. So here I have this modak mold. We'll fill it up completely with our modak mixture. Using your finger, press this mixture firmly. And now we'll gently open the mold. And the Ragi Almond Modak is ready. Similarly, we'll make more modaks. These modaks taste so delicious. They not only make for a yummy sweet for the festival, but if you're someone who likes to have a small snack in between your meals, they work as energy bites as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So for this Ganesh Chaturthi, if you are looking for a healthy treat that is tasty as well, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.